Hello everyone, let's see this question. When a car passes mark A, driver applies brakes, thereafter reducing speed uniformly from 160 km per hour at A it is 160 km per hour, to 40 km per hour at C. Okay, the marks are at equal distances on the road as shown below. Where on the road was the car moving with a speed 100 km per hour? Neglect the size of the car as compared to the distances involved. We have to treat car like a point mass. So in this, let's see, can we solve it without any calculation? So 160 is the speed here and 40 is the speed here. So 100 is the average speed, right? 160 plus 40 by 2, that gives you 100. Now, do you think that 100 will be the speed here at the midpoint? If you think like that, you are mistaken. So see, what happens is, in the initial part of the car, of the motion of the car, the speed is higher, and in the latter part it is lesser. So it will travel this half faster, okay, in a lesser time, and it will travel this half in a greater time, okay, because average speed here will be lesser. So that means this 100 km per hour, which is the speed if you calculate the time average, right? It is the speed when you calculate the time average, then you get 100. So that will happen at half the time. So if from here to here, whatever time it takes, let's say t naught, at t naught by 2 it will be 100. So definitely we know that at point B, what should happen? The speed will be greater than 100. So the speed 100 km per hour, where will it be on the road? It will be between mark B and C. Okay, and if you want, you can do it by calculation also. Let's say this is S, this is also S. Then what we would have? We would have 160 square is equal to 40 square plus 2 into A into 2S, right? So we would have what? We would have A into S as how much? 160 square minus 40 square by 4. That would be A into S. Now the speed at point B, if we want to calculate, we can write that VB square, it will be equal to what? VB square, you can write it as 160 square minus 2AS, right? Minus 2AS. So that gives us VB square is equal to 160 square minus 2 into 160 square minus 40 square by 4, right? So this is the value that we get. We would have this as how much? 2 into 160 square plus 40 square and minus 160 square also, right, divided by 2, which gives us 160 square plus 40 square by 2. Okay, so this is how much? 256, right? 25600 plus here 1600 divided by 2, which makes it how much? 27200 divided by 2, which is 13600. Okay, that is VB square. Okay, that is VB square. So VB value will be equal to root over 13,600, which is greater than root over of 10,000, right? And root over of 10,000 is nothing but 100. So you can see that the speed at point B will be greater than 100 km per hour. So 100 km per hour will happen somewhere in between B and C. Okay.